Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing review of this GVM light kit. I got two and I will link down below exactly where I bought it from, but it was on Amazon and it's for video, but it has some special effects features and an app apparently, so let's see how that goes. So I guess I opened it upside down, but it's okay. So it comes in this box already, ready to come out. I'm so stupid. We're gonna try that again. It comes out in this box, ready to come out. Oh, so it has it on one side, the logo. It's like a hard box, but it's soft at the same time. You know, it's not hard shell completely. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's hard shell, but it also is squishy. So it's not, I don't know about durability with that, but let's see. So it has these Velcro straps to keep them together. That's cool, because if not, you're there like, it's falling on one side and you're trying to grab the other one, so I like that. The zipper's really smooth. Okay, I think I opened it upside down. Oh, that's cool. So this is really nice. It comes in, these are garbage, but it comes in these velvet pouches and it has the logo on it. It's really soft. Okay, so I'm assuming, yeah, they're the same thing. Tripods. Ooh, they're sturdy. They're like thick. And yeah, I like this. I've had flimsy ones before. So I'm just gonna open one because there's no point for me to open both lights. It's the same thing. But it does come with the two. Here is the charger, I guess. It comes with two also. It's really long. I feel like it would reach from far down all the way to the end of this room. Comes with the manual. And then it says qualified certificate. So I guess for the warranty it comes with that. Okay. This is the light, also comes in a velvet pouch. It's actually really thick. I like that. So I feel like it wouldn't get scratched through it. Oop. This is nice. I don't know anything about video lights. These are my first ones. So I have no actual, point of comparison for this, but I know these are barn doors. So this is cool. It goes really wide. Yeah, this goes pretty wide, and they have a lot of little lights in there, so I'm assuming it's gonna be real nice, real bright, and real big. Oh, it comes, did I not read? It says it comes, it comes with two spaces so that you can put the batteries, but I guess you have to buy the batteries separately. They're both the same thing. That's cool though, that it has space for two. So, because my lights, I do have a panel light, so I guess that is video, but I do have a panel light and it dies really quickly, so I end up having to use like the actual charger to connect to the wall, and then I can't have it, portable. But it's cool that it has the two. That I really like. Okay, so that's about it for what's in the case. I'm gonna connect it and then we'll see how that looks. Okay, so I placed you guys really far so you could see the entire effect and how powerful the light is. So I'm just going to set up the tripod and put the light on there. There's like a rubber cap on this, so it holds on to it, but honestly I like using the caps on there too. It really doesn't interfere, but just because it's kind of like a rubber, I feel like it holds on much tighter if you don't actually tighten this. Okay, so as far as this is a really thick grip. I like that. And then going up and down, it's really smooth. Let's see if it holds on. Let's say I wanted it there. Yeah, these are tight. Like, you can tell that it's actually holding on. And then pushing it, yeah, it definitely stays on. Like, if I put a lot of pressure, I could definitely move it, but I'm like, it doesn't move at all. barn doors are really like stiff in the sense that they won't kind of just fling open. So I like that they're tight. That's cool. This slides in and out. I have no idea if it's for like filters, like gels if you wanted to put, or if it's just to like fix them, have easy access. I have no idea, but just in case, this piece does slide out and you can physically like touch the lights. Not that I guess you should, but I'm just saying. On the back here, it does have an on and off switch, but it has like 2 levels. I'm assuming it's for the batteries. Yeah, so if you switch it to the right, it has an adapter button, and then you flick it to the middle, it's off, and then you flick it to the left, it's gonna use the battery power. Okay, there you go. I would probably put those strips that I used in the organizing cables video to kind of put this together, because it doesn't come with anything, but it's really long, so that's cool. I mean, not crazy long, but I know it would reach as far as my studio at least. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna turn off all other lights that I have, except for like the ceiling lights, and then we'll see how well they work. It does say you need to download the app, so I'm going to just go on the product manual and see how you do that. They have a QR code, so that's really handy. I'm just going to scan that with my phone and download that. Oh, it's not available. What? Okay, so we can't even change the color because we're not going to be able to download the app. So this is where everything goes downhill. This is a lot of instructions. Oh, it's a diffuser. Okay, so what's removable? So this is just like a softbox, works on a strobe light. And then you can remove it. I would just keep it on there. Okay, so it downloaded and it says I have to register. So it says connecting, I'm assuming to the network. And it has different channels, but I don't see any channels on this. Oh, I haven't even turned it on. So it says 94%, so it's almost the highest. Wow, it's really bright. So it has both lights right now, the warm and the cool ones. I'm seeing stars. All the lights, I see them everywhere now. Oh, okay. It says switch Wi-Fi. I don't know if that'll do anything. System settings, switch Wi-Fi. Oh, I guess I'll switch Wi-Fi to this. So you have to have like service. So they are LED lights. They're not heating up. I feel a little bit of heat, but not crazy. It has 2 holes. So this part has like the actual hole going upwards, and then it has one going sideways. So you can actually put the light that way in case you wanted it to shine over something or shine, next to something. I'm amazed with this being so cheap that they're actually like the grips are actually really good. The knobs. If I would have read the instructions, this wouldn't be a problem. Okay, so once again, I didn't read the instructions. The password's on here. So that was really quick connection. Just read the instructions. So the password is actually GVM_admin, all in lowercase. The important thing is, does the light work? So this is the light at its maximum aperture, and then I'm gonna bring the light up to 100. So right there it's at 100. Let me turn off the light so you can see how powerful it is. So this is all the lights everywhere off, right? So if I turn this off, you see everything's really dark, and this is the difference. It's really bright. I like this. The paper looks really white, and so if I bring this down, it'll make the temperature warmer, and then here it is cooler. For some reason, I think it's backwards. The numbers are going, as they're getting higher, they're becoming cooler, which is upside down. But anyway, so yeah, let's say I leave it around there, and then here is, okay, so this goes up and down, but it goes really slowly. So the brightness it takes a lot. Like I have to rotate it a lot for the actual dimness to work. Like right now I've done so many, it's only at 16. So to get to 100 from here, still going 50. So this is a little bit exhausting. Okay, now it's at 100. So, you know, it took a while to get there, but it's really nice, bright, open. So now if I close the barn doors, let's see what we get. This is closing the side ones. Okay. And this is closing the top ones. So we're making like a smaller square. I guess that's because of the LED lights, but there's a bunch of like lines. It's kind of odd. It's not like a smooth seep. It's weird. Or actually, it's these lights on the side. If I make this smaller, no, same thing happens. So it actually, there are ridges on the barn doors. I don't know if that's normal, but they are creating these lines. In any case, I would use it all the way open, so it wouldn't bother me. Okay. And now there are modes. So this is taking it off of Wi-Fi, but this is, oh, disco. That's so cool. Okay, so all the way open, that's disco. Then we have, what is this? This is rotate mode. I don't even know what that means. Well, it's just white. I don't know what that means. This is slave mode. So if you want to go off, master. This is Wi-Fi again. Okay, so special light, you just have to go to the mode that says special light. So it'll start on disco and then you go, I guess, up and down. Yeah. This is party light. I don't really see a difference. This is disco. And then party. I don't see a difference. They look the same. But this is what I look like in front of it. That's so cool. I like how, yeah, the shadow and everything. You can probably do like cool music videos and stuff. Okay, so that's that one. And now this is a bad bulb. Oh, okay, like a light bulb. That's cool. And you can also bring the brightness up or down, because that's obviously, one bad bulb is not going to make that much light. Okay, and now this is a TV. Let's see if that works. Does it look like I'm watching TV? Like if you look at me, my face is supposed to look like I was watching TV, but obviously you lower it down. That's cool, if it works, I'm not sure. This is a candle, also too bright. Okay, let me just bring them down for all of them because this is a bit much. At 50, that way you know you can bring it up higher or lower. So this would be the candle. Yeah, it's kind of like, that's cool. I see it, it's just really bright. This is cop car. Oh, I like this one, that's cool. Lightning. Oh, I think it was just one. This is just one lightning, I guess. It'd be cool if it like continued, or you could change how often it goes, but wait, so what if you needed it to go again? How do you can't. That's weird. This is paparazzi. Oh, yes. This is cool. You're like, oh no, please stop. And this is disco again. So yeah, that's basically it. Those are all the settings, except for the Wi-Fi should work, I guess. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, cool, cool. So it is like a wheel where you can just affect the light. Oh, that's so cool. And you can bring it warmer or, you know, brighter. Just a bunch of things over here. Saturation. Oh, what's this? Okay. So I'm gonna bring it right back here and lower it to see if I can make it look like a backdrop. I love how low these lights go. My other tripods don't go this low. So when I'm trying to, you know, light something low, like a foot or a baby or, you know, anything that's really low, I can't get there. It would look like this. I mean, on camera it looks a little different than it would if I were using, you know, picture mode, but this is cool. From what I can see, it looked like those pictures where they have more of a highlight here and then it spreads out. And then of course you can kind of dim it or bring it up higher. I'll bring it here to the middle and you can see. Let's say I was doing a headshot here. Obviously I need to light myself. I don't have another light like on me, but the background looks really cool. You can actually do like silhouette work here. I have one light, so it is showing me, but you can take that off and I'll look more like a silhouette. That's really cool. Yep, I like that. And obviously this is a white light. When I turn this off, completely different. That's so cool. Yeah, I definitely give this one a thumbs up. Overall, I give it, you know, a 10 out of 10 because it didn't disappoint. The Wi-Fi connection, I just had to close the app and open it again and like just read the instructions because it does tell you step by step. I rushed into it because I was really excited. But I definitely recommend that you pick these up, and you know, they have free returns if you don't like them. But I really like it, and the special effects really made it a plus for me. So yeah, I'm gonna keep them and I will use them in future videos, and I'll kind of just experiment with the special effects and see what else I can make. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.